Niloy, you can present now.
Okay, so hello, I'm Niloy Bhattacharjee, and my my partner is
My name
Belal
is
Hossain,
Mohammed Belal Hossain Santo.
and this is the presentation for exercise 3. So even though like we have actually coded the main program, but unfortunately it couldn't access the JSON folder, and it's not coming up. The backend, we can't access it. So as a result, we just have to show the the work we did for now, and we can start that by going into JSON dot package dot JSON, where we had to first of all change the change the IP addresses and give our IP address in that, so that it can actually work. Then we had to do the same in the test requirement as well, where we had to change the base URL. And after that, we actually completed a few of the modules, like the to do dart. We had to do that, and we had to change the user.dart as well. And basically, most of the things we did. And for the screens, uh, first of all, we go to the main one. Okay, the login also works. Yeah. So these are the main screens we had to. You can go into bar.dart. Yeah. So we had to change a few of the things here as well. And but again, as I said, even though like we had coded most of the program here, but our file unfortunately did not run. So if we like try to run it, uh, and the emulator will start. So as you can see, like if we put in Alex and put the password and press login, it doesn't lead to anywhere. So that's the biggest hurdle in our program. And you want to add something, Shanto?
Yeah, I want to add. So here we have in our screen section we have the edit, login, and main screen here, and also the services. So for edit, we have three source code here. One is for bar.dart, another is for body, and the next one is for
Edit screen.
yeah. And for the login screen, we have same as like previous. For example, we have body.dart here also, and login screen.dart here. And we have made some changes because Dr. Jumal gave like almost everything, and we just needed to change and edit some
Certain
part.
aspects of the code.
Yeah, and for the main screen, we have the four source codes here. One is bar.dart, and the other one is body.dart. So this is our body.dart, and the next one is float.dart, and the final one is the main screen for the yeah the main screen.dart here. And for the services, we have rest.dart, and here we had to change the IP address, but we kept the port as it was 3000. That's why the 3000 we kept the 3000 here. And here we have the to-do list. Here we have the source code for to-do list, and the next one is the user service.dart. So this is all for our screen. So let's go to the main.dart program. This is the main file. This is the main.dart. So we just added this, and here the debug show check module balance false. Yeah, and we have another source code here. It is router.dart. Yeah, and for the package.json, we also needed to change the IP address here. This is our local machine IP address. So in order to run this program, we just need to go to the main.dart, and let's try to run by clicking the run without debugging. It takes some time. This machine is so slow. So this is our the front the main front page, and in order to enable the server, first of all we need to write some command here. So first of all we need to change the directory here. So the command for changing the directory is cd json server. Sorry, I missed, right? cd json server. And then in order to enable the server, we need to write the command promise npm run server. So here it shows that the server is already enabled, and we can see that the database is also enabled. But unfortunately, when we try to log in, it doesn't access the database. For example, if you want to write the username for Alex, and the password for Alex is 123, and when we try to log in, it's not capable enough to connect with the backend. So that is the flaw. Maybe it may be the problem of our own local machine, I guess. So yeah, that's all we have to present maybe. Niloy, you want to add something?
Yeah, that's all. And yeah, our system is in this. There's something wrong with the emulator as well.
Yes,
So
yes, Santo.
so regarding everything, yeah. And yeah, the saddest part is the thing did not run right. The
Yeah, actually, maybe it may be the problem of our own machine. I don't know whether
yeah,
Dr.
it's
Joanna can run it later on her own PC, maybe.
yeah, maybe Dr. Joanna can run it, but for now, this is probably it. And thank you.
Thank you.
Done.